Hi, how are
Hello, my name is Erika Mora. I am 23 years old. I am sixth semester student of industrial engineering. I am an improvement analysis in a multinational company.
what is your
My dream job is to be a continuous improvement manager for several countries and at the same time to be able to the travel between the countries that I live.
what
Kept preparing myself professionally and personally every day learning English. Be alive more organized in the perform of my activities and priorities my pending tasks. From my area, will Agual see to the improvement project that contribute to the organization, but at the same time will also suite to the improvement project that impact the world should add project real to the environment. Thank you. Bye bye.